Today we're going to learn about data cleaning, also known as data cleansing or scrubbing. Do you know one interesting fact about the data cleaning process? It is a crucial step in data science and analysis that can take up to 90% of a data scientist or data analyst's time. It involves various steps that we will learn in this video.
Data cleaning, a crucial step in data analysis involving refining, correcting, and preparing raw data for meaningful insights and accurate decision-making. Identify duplicates. Duplicate records can distort your analysis and lead to poor decision-making. Regularly identifying and removing them maintains data integrity. Handle missing data. Missing data can skew results. Whether through imputation, deletion, or analysis modifications, addressing these gaps is crucial. Correct errors. Errors in data sets, like outliers or incorrect entries, can significantly impact your results. Correcting these ensures accuracy and reliability. Normalize data. Adjusting values to a common scale is essential for accurate comparisons. This step is crucial for meaningful analysis. Consistent formatting. Standardizing dates, categories, and numerical formats ensures uniformity and smooth integration across different data sources. Validate quality. Regular quality checks are vital to maintaining data reliability. Implement validation rules to ensure ongoing data accuracy and relevance. Filter sort. Efficient data filtering and sorting help you focus on the most relevant information, making your analysis more effective. Automation tools. Leveraging automation tools can streamline the data cleaning process, reducing manual errors and saving valuable time. Remember, data cleaning is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that ensures the continued accuracy and relevance of your data. If you think it helped you to learn something, please like, subscribe and share.